Hi everyone, welcome to a Voiceflow tutorial. Today we're going to build a Google action together in less than 5 minutes. So I already have an open Voiceflow project here, and if you don't already have a Voiceflow account, it's completely free to sign up. Feel free to sign up with the link below, log in, and once you open up a new project, you'll be right where I am here on the canvas. But assuming you've gotten that far, let's dive into building a very basic Google action. Okay, so I have a blank canvas here with my blank home block. So what we're going to do with this Google action is ask the user whether they would like a dog joke or a cat fact. It's going to be a super simple action, but we're going to make it really quick. So let's do it. I'm going to open up our blocks menu here, and I'm going to pull out a speak block. And this is where we're going to ask the user the question. So we're going to link this up to our start block, which is where the Google action is going to start from. And we're going to say, welcome to Braden's Google action. Would you like to hear a cat fact or a dog joke? You like to hear a cat fact or dog joke? Okay, there we go. So now we want to pull out a choice. We'll pull out this choice block here, link this up, and we're going to add our two different choices. So if the user says cat fact or dog joke. Now the user might say things that are not just these simple variations. So I'm going to hit enter to add some synonyms. So please give me a dog joke, or maybe just dog. And then up here on cat fact, I'm going to say cat, cats, please give a cat fact. Okay, great. So now we have our choices lined up, and we're going to want to enter what the user or what Google will say if the user says either of these responses. So here we can see that this is the number one option. So that's going to go up here. Oh, and I'm going to label this cat fact. Fact. So you can see the name of the block changed. Down here, I'm going to call this dog joke. There we go. Pull that down there. And now I actually have to write our joke. So I'm going to say, this is a dog joke. It's a really bad joke. In fact, it's not even a joke. And then over on cat facts, I'm going to say, this is a cat fact. Okay, great. So this is a super simple Google action that we have all ready to go. Now you might be wondering what this else port is. This is if the user says something that's not expected. And so we can route the user up here and say, please say either cat fact or dog joke. There we go. So if the user says something completely unexpected, we'll route them up here and then put them back into the choice. So now let's upload this to our Google developer account. I already have one set up, and I've already linked it to my Voiceflow, so this should only take a couple of seconds here. So once this is rendering, always takes a couple seconds. And also I do have my Google device right next to me here. So you can either test on the Google Action Simulator. So now we have this opened up, and we can say, as you can see right here, talk to Braden test. But we're actually going to use it on our device since we do have that hooked up. So we're going to go, hey Google, talk to Braden test.
All right, let's get the test version of Braden test.
Welcome to Braden's Google action. Would you like to hear a cat fact or dog joke?
Cat fact.
This is a cat fact.
There we go. So now let's test the else option. Hey Google, talk to Braden test. Well, it's taken a couple seconds. Okay, so we have built our first Google action.
Braden test isn't responding right now. Try again soon.
There we go. So now we've built our first Google action together. It took less than 5 minutes. We do have a bunch of other tutorials to build more advanced Google actions for prototyping, designing, and upload your very own Google action and Alexa skills live to the stores. All right, I hope this was helpful. I'll see you in a future video.